Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create center point of polygon and how to decide buffer of your area. So it is very important. Please like, share and subscribe my video. We are required for your subscription. So please subscribe my video. So let's start. Here is our boundaries and polygon. We go to our toolbox, data management and features. After feature we go to feature to point and we select here input feature, our boundary and output location as per your requirement. We select here default and OK. Here is point, we change it, we double click and we select point and color as per our requirement. Here is our center point. For buffer we go to our toolbox and go to analysis tool and approximately and we select here buffer and we select here input feature, our point feature and output location as per your requirement. We select here default and we write here distance as per your requirement. We write here 10 and here is unit. We select here kilometer and you select as per your requirement and method as per your requirement, parallel, geodetic. We select here parallel and OK. Our buffer created and if you want to change color you double click and change color as per your requirement. Process is complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.